Okay, letrang
Letrang D.
da.
Dada. Damgo. Dream. Dagan. Run. Daog. Win. Domingo. Sunday. Doktor. Dakop. Arrest. Dato. Rich.
Where are you now? Dato.
Yes, dato. Rich. Dila. Tang.
Dunggan.
Ear. Dagat. Sea or beach. Dos or duha. Two.
Okay, dos is Spanish.
I know it's Espanol.
Okay. Sige.
Dentista. Dentist. Daan.
Daan. Oh.
Daan. Old. Dahon. Leaf. Daot. Sin.
Again, daot.
Sin.
Then go to crossword. Use this for eraser. What's the first one? Down is? What's down? Child. Old. Okay, not child. Okay. Okay.
What is rich again?
So rich is what?
Dato.
Dato. Okay. Okay, let's start. Oh, you flip it. So good na. You, okay? Sige, do it. You do your thing. Okay, you read. Let's see. Let's check your answer. Listen. You read, please.
Damgo. Dakop. Dos. Dagan. Dato. Dentista. Daog.
Daog. This one is daog.
Daog.
Okay. Dila. Daan.
Daan. Domingo.
Not daan. Daan. Okay.
Dunggan. Dahon. Doktor. Dagat. Daot.
Daot. Okay.
Kamot.
Congratulations. You learned 15 words. So most of these, you know these words already.
Yeah, I didn't know daog and dakop.
So dakop is, what is dakop again?
Criminal.
No, wrong. Dakop is,
Oh, a cop.
no, what is dakop in English?
Arrest.
Arrest.
Oh, arrest. That's why it's a cop.
What a
There
cop? What a cop?
It's the cop. Yeah, see, the cop. It's the cop. Okay, the cop. Arrest. What did that cop do? Arrest, okay?
Okay. You got me there. Mayo ani mo, di boy? Okay. So dakop is arrest. So dakop is like the cop. That's a good one.